Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best rotary tool on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, WEN231901 3M Variable Speed Rotary Tool, the WEN2305. Rotary Toolkit might not have the catchiest name, nor is it the option with the highest power, but the price tag will definitely catch your attention. This model is a massively popular product that features a low price, with or without the flex shaft. The WEN2305 is versatile and durable with a variable speed from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. This toolkit features 100 individual pieces including polishing pads, sanding discs, and drill bits. Bits can be changed easily via the onboard spindle lock end. The bits in this kit can be used for drilling, grinding, shaping, cutting, sanding, and polishing. If you decide to go with the kit that includes a flex shaft, it allows for more precise rotary tool work. DIYers and crafters will love this budget-friendly option for its versatility, lightweight design, and included accessories. Plus, this corded rotary tool features a 1-year warranty. If you are cutting drywall or doing projects on a professional level, it may not be the tool for you. That doesn't mean it's not worth it, though. It's a durable, lightweight product that can handle a lot of tough projects for not that much money. Includes flex shaft. Large accessory kit. Very reasonable price. Reliable performance. Cons, some complaints of unbalanced spin. Number 2, GOXAWEE Rotary Toolkit. Whether it's for crafting, metalworking, or woodworking projects, the GOXAWEE Rotary Toolkit offers an affordable way to get to work. More than 100 attachments and accessories come with this handy tool so users can tackle stone, glass, or metal engraving, cutting, wood carving, model making, metalworking, and more. It features a 1.3 amp motor that generates speeds between 8,000 and 30,000 RPMs. GOXAWEE's Rotary Toolkit was the big surprise in our test. It came with all of the accessories most DIYers will ever need, including cutoff wheels, grinding stones, sanding discs, and polishing wheels. It also came with a guard collar for safety as well as replacement brushes for maintenance. It ran smoothly and had enough power for most tasks, but it was noticeably underpowered compared with some other models when it came to cutting the steel. This rotary tool comes with a 140 PC accessory kit that includes a flex shaft, giving it a wide range of possible uses from engraving to grinding, cutting and polishing. As long as you go easy on the tool, it should last you a relatively long time. Pros, affordably priced compared with other models. Lots of accessories. Includes replacement brushes. Excellent grip shape. Cons, noticeably underpowered compared. Number 3, Dremel 4300-5/40 High Performance Rotary Toolkit. When it comes to choosing a top-tier, high-quality rotary tool, the Dremel 4300 is certainly near the top of the list. This powerful corded rotary tool features a 1.8 amp motor with a speed range between 5,000 and 35,000 RPMs. It comes with a detachable work light, a universal chuck, and several accessories including grinding and sanding wheels, cutoff wheels, carving bits, and more. All of these items store in the hard case to keep them safe and organized. During testing, the Dremel 4300 proved to be incredibly powerful. Even when cutting through thick steel, it barely slowed down, meaning it was able to cut through faster than any other model. We really liked the detachable work light on the collar, and removing it and swapping it for other colors was a breeze. It's also worth noting that this kit came with the best accessories, including Dremel's Easy Lock cutoff wheels, which don't require a tool for swapping the discs on and off. Our only complaint was that over 20,000 RPMs, there was a noticeable vibration regardless of the accessory in the chuck. Pros, incredibly powerful tool. Clever detachable work light. Excellent accessories, including Dremel's Easy Lock cutoff wheels. Cons, vibrates a bit over 20,000 RPMs. Number 4, Dremel 3000-2/28 Variable Speed Rotary Toolkit. Working with wood can be difficult and it takes more than raw power for a successful project. The Dremel 3000-2/28 Variable Speed Rotary Toolkit drops the power to 1.2 amps but keeps the versatility to reach 35,000 RPM, more than enough for carving wood. The smaller motor makes the rotary tool easier to handle for careful, precise cuts, but still affords the user enough power to easily move through the wood. When we took the Dremel 3000 in hand, the first thing we noticed was its excellent grip shape. it contoured to our hands nicely, and the rubber grip made holding onto it easy. We also liked that it came with plenty of accessories, including accessories for cutting and carving wood, what we feel this tool excels at. Also, the collar fits over the collet to act as a wrench, meaning bit changes are toolless. The only area we could see needing some improvements is that it's slightly underpowered for heavier duty work. The motor brushes are replaceable, which will extend the life of the tool, and Dremel stands behind its rotary tool with a 2-year warranty. Pros: excellent grip shape, plenty of accessories, comes in a durable case. Cons: could be a bit more powerful. Number 5, Dremel Light 7760N/10 rotary tool. Many people appreciate the versatility of a rotary tool for simple tasks around the home, such as grinding down a pet's toenails, smoothing a rough edge on a piece of furniture, or working on various hobbies and crafts. For those people, the Dremel Light 7760N/10 is the perfect tool, super easy to use, versatile enough for most of the tasks a crafter, hobbyist, or handy person is likely to ask of it, and reasonably priced to boot. What's not to like? The Dremel Light works with most Dremel attachments and accessories, but you'll get several useful attachments with this tool, including an engraving cutter, 60 grit sanding band, 3/8-inch grinding stone attachment, a small and medium felt wheel for polishing, and a nylon bristle attachment for cleaning and buffing. The rotary tool has 4 variable speeds, a twist nose cap for easy attachment changes, and a battery life indicator. It runs on a 4-volt Li-ion battery and includes a USB charging cord as well as a plug for charging the device off one of your home's electrical outlets. Pros: include several attachments, compatible with most Dremel attachments. Cons: some complaints about battery life.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.